this video, I will be showing you how to set up and use the Apple Calendar links included in your planner. Let's get started. Go to Settings, scroll down to Shortcuts, turn on Private Sharing. You can always turn this off again after setup. Next, open your planner and tap Enable Shortcuts link. Click Yes. Follow the prompts to install it on your device. Once the shortcut is installed, simply tap any calendar link in your planner. Let's do an example together. Click the Apple Calendar icon. Click Yes. You can enter your event title. For the purpose of this video, we'll call it Test. You can also select a date, and you can also select which calendar to save it to. Finally, you'll see a preview of your event before saving. Just tap Save or Add, and that's it. Your Apple Calendar links are now set up, and we've also done a demo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for choosing OverItPlanners.